All right, subscription showdown. Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. I received a lot of positive feedback on my BoxyCharm versus Ipsy videos, even though I already do dedicated unboxing and demos of those boxes. You guys found it super useful to see both services side by side of the products and the value that you get in each one. So I decided to do one with the Tribe Beauty Box as well as the Bijou Beauty Box. In my opinion, both of these are still fairly new subscriptions and you see a lot of indie brands in them. They are a little bit more expensive than BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but they can definitely give those services a run for its money. So if you're interested in seeing the showdown between these two subscription boxes, definitely keep on watching. Before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you click subscribe before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. If you're interested in signing up for either Bijou or Tribe Beauty Box or both, I will leave links down below in the description box as well as my codes. I am an affiliate with Tribe Beauty Box. You can use code AIt'sAmanda for 10% off. I do make commission off that code. Any commission that I make is invested back into my channel. And I also have a code for Bijou Beauty Box. You can use code AIt'sAmanda for 15% off. I don't make commission off that one. I just have it that way you guys can save some money. All right, subscription showdown. In Bijou Beauty Box, we received 5 full-size items, and then in Tribe Beauty Box, we received 6 items. In both boxes, we received a palette. In Bijou, we received the Oh Abby palette by Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. This is what the inside looks like. I love this palette. The only shade I didn't like was Sunrays. It did not have good pigment payoff. And then in Tribe, we received the Artisan palette by Suva Beauty. I really like this palette, except it had pressed glitter. The Oh Abby palette did too. But you also get 4 face products. You get 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. I wasn't really crazy about this highlighter, but if I had to choose between one of these palettes, I definitely would want to choose the Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. There's just so much more I can do with this palette. I am living for this color story. I can't wait to dip into like the orange, the pinks, the purples. This palette just has a lot to offer. While I really did like the Artisan palette, I only get 9 eyeshadow shades where I would only really use 8 minus this glitter. This palette has face products in it as well, which would make it convenient to travel. The blushes were just a little too natural for me. If I wanted a little bit more blush, I would have to pack an additional blush, and I only like 1 out of the 2 highlighters. That was a tough one because I love palettes. Winner of the eyeshadow palette is Bijou. We also received lashes in both Bijou and Tribe. In Bijou, we received the Glamlite Fresh Baked and Delicious lashes, and then we received some lashes by Venice Gale Cosmetics, which I have on right now. This is what the lashes look like in the Glamlite, and honestly, I like the Glamlite lashes a lot better. They're not as dramatic. I feel like I could probably wear this with so many other looks, where these are super dramatic and I also have to trim them. And with them being so big and not trimmed, I did struggle putting them on. That's why this left lash is a little bit wonky. It's really hard to choose which lashes I like better because I am still getting into lashes and learning my preferences. I just immediately could not stop looking at my eyes when I put these Glamlite ones on. And I do have small eyes, and I felt like these looked a lot better. I feel like these are overpowering my eyes almost, just because of how dramatic that they are. So I'm gonna have to give it to the Glamlite, which is from Bijou Beauty Box. Also, in both of these subscription boxes, we received lip products. We received the Real Her lip gloss in Bijou Beauty Box, and then we received the Wander Beauty Lip Setter Duo lip liner and lipstick in Tribe Beauty Box. And I cannot believe I am saying this, but I am, and I have to give it to Wander Beauty and Tribe Beauty Box. This is the lip color from Wander Beauty that I have on right now, and this is a beautiful plum vampy shade, and it just screams fall. This is my go-to lip color. I would wear this every single day, not just in the fall or winter. I wear it in the spring, the summer. My opinion, I feel like it complements me really well. I get a lot of compliments when I wear shades similar to it. I found this lipstick to be super hydrating. It's more of a satin finish, which I like because I have dry lips. I wasn't the biggest fan of the lip liner. If I just moisturize my lips before, I feel like the liner will work out a little bit more. I do struggle finding a good lip liner. Like the Gerard Cosmetics ones are the best ones because they are super hydrating. Unlike the Jante Blue, yes, I'm still throwing shade at BoxyCharm for that $5 lip liner. I don't care. A subscription service that high should not be carrying low value items like that. But I did enjoy the gloss that I received in Bijou. I just don't wear many natural shades, whether it's a lipstick or a gloss. It's great for work, but everyday use, I want a bold lip. I'm just more drawn to bold lips. But I like the formula because it wasn't that sticky. I have to hand it to Tribe Beauty Box. In both Tribe and Bijou, we received a face product. In Tribe, we received the Prime for Face by Mirabella. And then in Bijou, we received the Rock Candy Cosmetics Fast Drying Silky Setting Spray. This is very aggressive for a setting spray. It's not as aggressive as the Bella Perrier one that we received in Tribe a few months ago, but it's still aggressive and there is a fragrance to it. It doesn't really bother me. I just prefer how much product is dispensed and the spray radius of the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. This primer reminded me a lot of the Benefit Cosmetics Professional and the Smashbox Photo Finish. It is a silicone primer. I found it to fill in my pores. It's not a hydrating primer, but my face doesn't look cracked or caked, so I probably will give it to the Tribe Beauty Box with the Mirabella primer. I think it worked out a little bit better than the setting spray. The last product received in Bijou is the Buddy Scrub All Natural Lip Scrub. And then we actually got a bonus item in our Tribe Beauty Box. We received this brush cleanser by Kaylin, and then we received the No Mustache waxing strips. These last products is really hard to determine which box is going to win because we're currently tied. I think I might have to give it to the lip scrub because I am going to use this because I do have dry lips and they constantly need to be hydrated. No chapstick seems to really be helping or exfoliating my lips, so I'm hoping that this product will do something for me. I'm not saying that these products are bad. I think they're very innovative to receive in a subscription box. I already have a waxing service that I do once a month for my upper lip, and then I get my eyebrows waxed twice a month. I mean, I do have some unwanted hair, so I kind of want to try this, but then again, I am scared for how the hair is going to grow back. And then I already have a brush cleanser that I really like. I have one of the Sigma gloves, which I clean my face brushes with, and then my eye brushes, I take Hotel soaps and clean my brushes that way. But I'm thinking of swirling my brush on the Hotel soap and then onto this to see if it cleanses my brushes a little bit better. Maybe I'll just use this for travel. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm going to give it to Bijou on this product because I know I am going to use this. While these are cool, I just don't know if I would personally use it right away. It's something I have to experiment a little bit more. It's really hard because both boxes really knocked it out of the park. To me, that's saying something because Ipsy and BoxyCharm are so much more well known, and for October, both of those were a flop, in my opinion. Although I received some products in both Ipsy and BoxyCharm that I love, I'm just more excited about the products I received in Tribe and Bijou, to be perfectly honest. They are indie brands, they are great products. These definitely excite me a lot more, especially with that Ipsy Ultimate flop. I did receive some good products in that, but $50, that is a lot. And I know Tribe and Bijou are a little bit more pricey, but in my opinion, they are still new. They aren't as established as Ipsy and BoxyCharm because they haven't been around that long. 8 years ago is when I first subscribed to Ipsy with the Little Glam bag, and then I've been part of BoxyCharm since 2016. They've been around for a while. Tribe, I just started in June. I'm not entirely sure how long it's been around, and then Bijou just started early this year. I've been really enjoying these two boxes. I think they are great competition for BoxyCharm and Ipsy. It's also a little bit more refreshing seeing the different brands, different products. This lash looks wonkier and wonkier every time I look over at it. If you received the Bijou or Tribe Beauty Box, or if you received both of them, what are your thoughts? Which one did you like a little bit better? Let me know in the comments which box do you think won. My opinion, I think Bijou and Tribe were a lot better than BoxyCharm and Ipsy. That's just me. That's just my opinion. Don't come after me. It's just, I've been subscribed for those for a while. Yawn, I'm bored. These products, yeah, I'm here for it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.